Grace again. I'm here to read for you the Angel Tarot reading. And um, hello everyone, good day. And I got some card here today. And please let me read first for protection for my spirit guide from the highest light of the universe to work with me and through me the delight of music for my highest and greatest good. Please protect me all the time. I invite my spirit and ancestor, all my friend, my spirit guide. Thank you. And I'm gonna read today. I get some card today. Inner child healing, guys. This is the beautiful. The card today is the healing, inner healing child. So let me read for this. Let me check. Tell you about what is the healing. Okay, this card is bring healing understanding, guys, to love to your inner child. You see the inner child. So it's you that your guardian angel is here and wrapping their loving and arms around you. And right now, you're nurturing your child, inner child, and encourage you to senses and see the world through the eyes of the child. Okay, guys. So this card is much one. The opportunity is time for some fun. Okay, what can you do? Feel light, feel light, and what fun. Okay, express yourself. Okay, and have you stopped yourself from doing something, or you feel you are too old, or it's time to reclaim your innocent child and express yourself in a way felt excited, mean, or wonder, an adventure, excited. It's time for your child to be held, guys. This is for the card today, and this is impact for your life, a child experience. You are real survivor, and this card indicate that no matter what happened, you have found a way forward. Okay, so you may feel that you have to grow up quickly and abandon the innocent in order to survive for your life. Okay, reflect and review. Release all the pain, anything from your childhood be holding you back. Also, so being supported is not about forgetting about taking time and to send loving energy your inner child. So make it through, become incredible person you are. Okay, so what's the other one? I got another card for you. This is like a friendship, like a friendship. Okay, friendship union. So this card is if you have felt left out and recently and wondering if you can trust those around you, angel are giving you clear insight that and information to help. So this is beautiful card. Okay, don't concern about your relationship or friendship, so or fading away. So what is important is that your vibration energy will attract friends and work relationship. You can be found in yourself, and you can mirror back to you who you are. So how can what is missing here is if you feel that you are struggling to make friends and you don't know what your friends are, invite your angel, okay, and assist you to making connection, share and receive and loving balance way. Your angel friends ready to help you form incredible union. So ask yourself how you can bring the whole of yourself into friendship or relationship. Be present and listen, open up, smile, laugh, venture, and enjoy this time. So uh, um, the connection is very strong. uh, uh, you support, you need to more supported, more joys, and your angel is encourage you to be loving, friend, union, friendship, relationship, everything. Okay, so what's your tarot saying? So the tarot saying this, you got well of fortune again, is a opportunity, good luck, prosperity, divine healing, and um, uh, good luck, healthy life, healthy relationship. Your inner child is moved on to the new uh, beginning. Okay, so this your inner child, yeah. So you get well of fortune is new grow up, you grow prosperity, long live, prosperity, healthy, abundance, and with your friendship. You from this side, your inner child to healing, and you go this side to friendship and make a friend and positive energy, good luck and spiritual. You can use your relationship, you can find your soulmate as well. So the between of this is well of fortune and very powerful, prosperity, good health, good luck, and you forgive from your inner child. You grow up quickly, and now you need to balance. This is balance. Temperance means yes, in relationship you need healing, spiritual, and temperance is yes. Okay, anything that balance and good luck and healing energy is uh, the angel is Gabriel, help you to release all your sad to become a new life, because release all the positive. Your angel is with you right now, and friendship and relationship is getting better. Major Arcana. Okay, so this is the powerful healing. This is the card today is inner child, and guys, this is for the card the day today. Okay, September 6, 2024. Okay, wow, this is powerful. If you're looking for relationship, you can find this time, this month, this year. Okay, your soulmate. Okay, and be happy, positive energy. Okay, and money, good luck, healthy, prosperity, divine, you know, and it's coming on your way. Okay, guys. Okay, and this is balance, your healing light, healing energy, balance, give and take, and spiritual and positive. Okay, so inner child is activities and healing energy. Thank you guys for watching this, and like my video, and love and light and peace, and love you all. Okay, powerful card today is the day of the powerful card I read for you. Thank you. See you later. Bye. Love you all.